Prefix suffix sheet number 1, day 3. Our words are multi and poly. Multi as in multicellular, multiple, multiple personalities. Multi means many. Earlier we had the word monosaccharide, which literally means one sugar. Eventually we'll get to polysaccharides or polynomials. Poly also means many. I apologize for my dog Caesar. He's such a savage.